11:47 p.m. Production hunt is down. Login is broken. You need to ship a fix right now. The fix? It's already written, sitting on your feature branch. But that branch has half-finished code. You cannot merge the whole thing. So what do? Git Cherry-pick. Grab one commit. Leave everything else. Let me show you exactly how. First, check your branches. Run, git branch, you're currently on main, and the feature branch exists. Now switch to the feature branch and inspect the commit history. Run, git checkout feature dash, branch, then git log dash, dash online. Here it is. The fix for the login bug. That's the commit we want. Now go back to main. Run, git checkout main. This is where production is broken and where the fix needs to go. Now cherry pick the commit. Run, git cherry pick 0c626-2. Git takes that exact change and applies it to main, and that's it. You just made 2 bad commits. Code is broken, tests are failing. You need to go back, but how far? And do you want to keep your changes? That's where Git Reset comes in. Git Reset lets you move head backward in history. It's like an undo, but way more powerful. And depending on the mode, it decides what happens to your files. Git Reset has 3 modes: soft, mixed, hard. Pick the wrong one, and your work is gone. Let's see exactly what each does. Step 1. We have 2 bad commits, D and E, sitting at the top of our history. We need to go back to C. Step 2. Git Reset soft. Head moves back to C, but D and E, their changes are still here, sitting in your staging area, ready to commit. Nothing lost. Step 3, Git Reset mix, same thing. Head moves back to C, but now the changes are unstaged. They're in your working directory, Akshinya, you can see them, edit them, but they're not staged yet. Step 4, Git Reset hard. This is the nuclear option. Head moves back, staging is cleared, working directory is wiped, D and E are completely gone. No recovery, unless you know Git Reflog. That's it. 3 modes, 3 different outcomes. Your feature branch has diverged from main. Main moved ahead while you were working. You could merge, but that creates a messy merge commit in your history. Instead, use Git Rebase. It moves the fork point to the tip of main and replays your commits on top of the latest code. So your feature branch stays separate, just rebuilt on a newer base. Then a fast forward merge turns everything into one straight line. Let's watch. Step 1, this is the diverged state. Feature branched off from M2, while main continued forward to M4. Step 2, we run. Git rebase main. Git rewinds your commits, then replays them one by one on top of M4. Notice the fork curve. It shifts from M2 all the way to M4. Feature is still its own branch, just with a newer base. F1 and F2 are replayed as F1 prime and F2 prime. New commits, same changes. Step 5, look at the log. Perfectly linear, no merge noise, just clean, sequential history. Step 6, fast forward merge. Feature is now directly ahead of main, so no merge commit is needed. Everything becomes one straight line. You just built a feature, but your commit history looks like a mess. WIP, half done. Fix, oops, typo fix. Nobody wants to see 3 ugly commits in main? You want 1 clean commit. That's what Git Squash does. It combines multiple commits into a single one, and there are 2 ways to do it. Rebase-I and merge-squash. Let's see exactly how both work. Here's our feature branch, 3 commits, all messy. This is what your teammates will probably notice first. We run git rebase-I head ~3. An editor opens, mark F2 and F3 as squash. We're telling Git, take these commits and fold them into F1. Saved, done. Watch this. F2 and F3 collapse into F1. 3 commits become 1. Clean, single, squashed. This cleans up your feature branch history. But there's another approach. Instead of rewriting the branch, we switch to main. Then run git merge --squash feature/login. This takes all the changes from the feature branch and stages them as one combined commit. Now we commit. 1 message, 1 commit, feat, login flow. All 3 messy commits, gone. Replaced by 1 clean entry on main. You're deep in a feature, half-written code everywhere. Then Slack pings. Urgent bug on main. Fix it. Now. You can't commit half-broken code, and you don't want to throw it away. Git Stash. It packs your uncommitted work into a box, leaves your working tree perfectly clean. Fix the bug, ship it, then pop the box back. Let's watch. Step 1. Here's our repo. 2 files modified, feature.js and styles.css. Not committed, just floating in the working tree. Step 2. We run git stash push with a message. Git saves our uncommitted changes into the stash, and the working tree is instantly clean. Step 3. Now we're free to switch. We create a fresh hotfix branch from main. No conflicts, no half-broken code following us. Step 4. We fix the bug and commit it. A new commit, H1, appears on the hotfix branch. Clean, isolated, focused. Step 5. Bug is fixed. We switch back to main. Notice the working tree is still clean. Our stashed work is still safely in the box. Step 6. We merge hotfix into main. Git fast forwards the branch. No extra merge commit. H1 moves straight onto the main line. Step 7. Before we restore, let's check the stash. There it is. Stash 0. Our work in progress, exactly where we left it. Step 8. We run git stash pop. Git pulls the work back out, drops it into the working tree, and removes it from the stash, right back where we were. Step 9. Feature.js, styles.css, both restored. The emergency is handled, the stash is empty, and we didn't lose a single line of code. Git stash, a pause button for your code. Use it, handle the emergency, come right back. Now go build something. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit subscribe for more.